Hey guys, this is Lady P from my backyard garden. I'm out today harvesting a few of my potatoes and some green beans. I harvested garlic yesterday, so I want to show you what I have done for the week. The weather has been hot. We have gotten some rain, but worst of all, the mosquitoes are so bad. I only come out for a little bit. I put peppermint oil and water and I spray it. It helps some, but after it wears off, they're back. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if this is your first time coming, please subscribe, share my video, and leave me a comment. Finally got that last garlic harvest in, but I can't stay out too long because since we've had this rain, the mosquitoes are terrible. So just wanted to show you the harvest. Some of them I think I left in a little too long, but I'm still happy with the harvest. of you may be wondering, how do you know the potatoes are ready to harvest? As you can see how those are yellow leaves and they're laying over, I was told that's a sign that they're ready. These over here are starting to get ready, but I planted them a little later, so I'll be leaving these in the ground a little later. But it's time to get these out. Some people may be saying, why do you keep these? But I like to just clean them off and put them in soups or just something like that. And these are Yukon Golds, so I am very pleased with them. This is my first harvest of potatoes. This is a 3-gallon bucket. And I was able to fill it with that small amount of space. So if you don't have a lot of space, you can grow some food. I only pulled enough beans for dinner today because the mosquitoes were so bad. And I think the others could stay on a little longer. So this was my harvest of my beans today. This is Lady P from my backyard garden, harvesting potatoes, garlic, and green beans, and fighting the mosquitoes. Until next time, peace and love. I'm out.